Marketing is a part of human civilization since the humans started exchanging a good for another good. Then the concept of gold and money came, but marketing was still a major part of business and development. So, the marketing concept and strategies kept on changing with time. From mob marketing to hiring sales manager, from posters to developing a poster boy for a brand. Marketing never stopped but kept on evolving. And today, digital marketing is taking over the age of information. But there is a false belief over digital marketing and people often confuses it with advertisers. Hello friends, my name is Ankit Barthwal. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing and from exactly where you can do your digital marketing course and work for big corporate marketing agencies or create your own agency. First of all, digital marketing is more than just running ad copies on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, Snapchat, etc. There is a different digital marketing position that conveys your skill sets like digital marketing strategist, digital marketing brand manager, digital marketing manager, etc. On the other hand, advertisement or an advertiser is a part of a digital marketing or a digital marketing team. Creating an ad copy in any social media platform is easier than passing an 8th standard math class. A digital marketer brings optimization, brand awareness, conversion, SEO, and other strategies, which also includes product research, customer demography, product demography, etc. Soon, a lot of universities will be introducing digital marketing graduation or post-graduation courses. But for now, there are many prestigious national and international universities offering certification program on digital marketing. There are many private coaching classes that ask for Rs 20,000 or even 30,000 for a digital marketing course. They even provide their zero value certification, and trust me, it has zero value in corporate world. The world business was already shifting toward expanding their reach on every digital or social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Reddit, etc. And now that everyone is sitting in their home, working from home or doing online school classes from home, the culture of online market will get an incredible growth in coming years, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic gets over. And the demand of a digital marketer would upsurge. Around 2 to 3 million jobs in digital marketing will be in demand between 2021 and 2024, five actually in India, and so on. If you are serious about becoming or learning digital marketing, then I suggest you go through coursera.organization or coursera.org. I have shared their link in the description below. Coursera is an American online learning platform founded in 2012 by Stanford professor Andrew Ng and Stephen Kohler that offers massive open online courses, specialization, and degrees. Coursera is a popular platform for every corporate employee looking for boosting their skill set. For digital marketing, universities like University of California, University of Illinois, etc. offer their courses on Coursera. Their courses also offers practical assignments and projects to give you an insight of how exactly digital marketing world works. So instead of spending your money on some worthless offline coaching institute, unless it is IIM, I suggest you go for Coursera. That's all for today, friends. If you have any query regarding digital marketing, do let us know in comment section below. My name is Ankit Barthwal. I will see you next time, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe Gyan Rudra. Namaste.